One mystery of RBD is whether people are acting our dreams or whether their movements are modifying their dreams' narrative. Say Bridget Hogg, a professor of neurology and sleep medicine at the Medical University of Innsbruck in Australia, asked for a question that originally intrigued Arnav. While the impaired movement characteristic of Parkinson's seems to disappear during sleep in some patients, work by other groups has helped suggest an answer. Neurologist and psychiatrist Greg Meyer, former at Heffelstadt Clinic in Germany, and his colleague revealed in a 2015 study said that the basal ganglia movement-related structures near the basis of the brain, whether neurodegeneration occurs in people with Parkinson's, were silent during dream unlike in RBD patients, but other brain regions involved in producing movements, such as the motor cortex, were active. Findings such as these suggest that in people with RBD, movement is generated through a motor circuit that bypasses the basal ganglia. This is sort of shows that whatever's going on in Parkinson's disease in terms of your movement doesn't apply to you when you're asleep, says Ronald Postman, a professor of neurology at McGill University. It also raises a tantalizing possibility for therapy. What if you could mimic whatever the motor state is when a person is asleep but keep them otherwise awake?
One mystery of RBD is whether people are acting out their dreams or whether their movements are modifying their dream narratives, says Eric Hugler, a professor of neurology and sleep medicine at Medical University of Innsbruck in Australia. As for the question that originally intrigues Arnav, why the impaired movement characteristic of Parkinson seems to disappear during sleep in some patients, work by other groups has helped suggest an answer. Neurology and psychiatrist Gerd Meyer, formerly at Hifata Clinic in Germany, and his colleagues revealed in a 2015 study that a basal ganglia movement-related structure near the base of brain where neurodegeneration occurs in people with Parkinson's were silent during dream enactments in RBD patients, but other brain regions involved in producing movement, such as the motor cortex, were active. Findings such as this suggest that in people with RBD, movement is generated through the motor circuit that bypass the basal ganglia. This sort of shows that whatever going on in Parkinson's disease in terms of your movement doesn't apply to you when you are asleep, says Ronald Postuma, a professor of neurology at McGill University. They also raised a tantalizing possibility for 3P. What if you could mimic whatever the motor state is when a person is asleep but keep them otherwise awake?